Hello everybody, welcome once again. Here is Rajesh sir YouTube channel. Today's Rajesh sir will teach you the physics in physics as chapters. We will discuss about the chapters the force and the law of motions. In a force and law of motions, we had studied Newton's some law and some different law. There are three laws given by in this chapter. So that was first set with the law of inertia, momentum. Means that's differences between the emissions and also a law of action and reactions. We had studied it well and describe the different terms and the terms related to it. Now we will try to understand how to solve the related questions that was here in our questions. One by one, so we will take the questions and try to solve here the questions. Suppose that question is here an object of mass is 100 grams and 200 grams. Questions physics here. Physics chapter force and law of motion. Law of motions. Now questions is here and object having a mass of 100 grams and 200 grams. A mass of 100 grams and 200 grams are moving along the same line in directions and are moving along the same line and directions with velocity of meter per second and with velocity of 2 meter per second and 1 meter per second with velocity of 2 meter per second and 1 meter per second respectively. They collide and after collisions respectively and they collide and after collisions the first object move at velocity of at a velocity of moves at velocity of 1.67 meter per second 1.67 meter per second and determine the velocity of the second object. So questions determine the velocity of the second object. Here is the questions. With the help of questions, we will try to solve the given here. Given point of which we will try to 100 grams and 200 grams and the mass is equal to m1 200 grams is equal to 100 by 1000 convert into the point 0.1 kg and m2 is equal to 200 grams is equal to 200 upon 1000 is equal to 0.2 kg. M1 M2 is here given and now we will take the M1 and M2 before collisions, B1 and B2 before collisions. Here is the before collision V1 and V2 will be before collisions B1 and B2. So here is the 2 meter per second and 1 meter per second, 2 meter per second and 1 meter per second, 2 meter per second and 1 meter per second after collisions. M1 and M2 m1 will be and the m2 will be. After collision m1 and m2 will always be as it is 100 and 200. 100g and 200g is equal to 0.1 kg and 0.2 kg. As we converted into the case gram into the kilograms, we will take it here, and after that we will take the v1 is equal to 1.67 and v1 is equal to 1.67 meter per second. And so that is why we will discuss about the v1 is equal to 1.67 meter per second. Let the velocity of second velocity of object after collisions be. Let the second velocity of an object after collisions is equal to v2. Then we will discuss about after collisions it becomes the second velocity is v2 meter per second. Then no external force r v2 meter per second, and no external force r applying r acting on this body. That is why we will take the total momentum before the collision and total momentum after collision. So total momentum before collision and equal to total momentum after collision. So m1 v1 is equal to m2 v2. So this becomes the before collisions and after collisions, and the differences between the momentums. We will always m1 v1 and m2 v2. Here is the m and u, and here is v1 v1. So we have taken here is u taken here. Suppose that we have taken here is the u1 u2 and v1 and v2. So m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Now substitute all values in m1 v1 m2 v2. We will calculate 1 by 1 0.1 multiply 2. Here is 0.1 multiply 2. v1 is here 2 plus 0.1 multiply 2. Here is then 2 multiply 2, and m1 plus m2 is here. So m2 is 200. 0.2 multiply v1 and v2 is equal to 1 is equal to. So we will substitute m1 is already 0.1 multiply u1 is equal to 1.67 and plus m2 is equal to 0.2 multiply, and here is the let's we have v2. So after the calculations we will substitute all value in its, and then we will calculate its. We will find that's 0.2 and 0.2 is equal to. So we will get here 0.2 and plus 0.2 and is equal to. Here is the, if you multiply 2 we will get here so 1 by 1 we will get here so 0.4 is equal to 0.4 0.167 plus 0.2, and then after 2 to 4 0.4 is equal to plus v2. Here is the v2 we will calculate here. So after the v2 we will calculate here 0.2 v2, then it becomes 0.2 v2 is equal to the given number 0.2 v2 is equal to 0.233. So v2 is equal to 0.233 by 0.2. We will cancel out it. We will get here 1.16 meter per second. This is your answer. These are the questions, and with the help of these questions we will try to answer, calculate all the givens. First we will write the given things, and then after we will calculate one by one. It will be solved, and the answer will be 1.16 meter per second. This is the second velocity of analysis. Okay, thank you very much for coming answer once again. So here is the Rajesh sir. So it is thanking you to all and don't forget to share, subscribe, and write the comments of this channel, and so that you cannot miss the more and more video. Okay, thank you.